Here is how to customize the crosshair in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So launch the game and select Call of Duty Black Ops 7 from the homepage, and then press the menu button on your controller and navigate to the settings wheel icon by using the R1 or the L1 button. Then select account, or rather select interface, and then from here navigate to the gameplay HUD by using the R1 or the L1 button. Then scroll down and find the crosshair section. So here it is. Now there are a couple of things you can customize. The first one being crosshair lines. You can choose to enable or disable it. So simply select crosshair lines. You can choose to turn it off. You can enable it. And also you can choose a static crosshair line. And you can see a preview of how it looks like on the right side. And then you can press the show more options, and you can also enable or disable the crosshair line spread. Now once you've customized that, you can also customize the dot. So you can choose to enable or disable the dot, or you can choose a static dot that will show a dot at the center of the screen at all times. And then if you select the show more options, you can also customize the size of that particular dot. You can choose the default, you can choose a larger or the largest, and you should see a visual representation on the right side of the screen. Additionally, you can customize the crosshair opacity. You can simply reduce it if you want, or you can simply increase it if you want. And you can see a preview on the right side. And also you can choose to change the crosshair color to suit your needs. So select that option and then browse through all the available colors that are currently here. Or you can choose to select a custom color, and then you can adjust all the settings, the hue, the saturation, the brightness, or if you have the hex code, you can simply type it in. And then once you have customized everything, ensure that you select apply custom color, and that will change the crosshair color. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.